Hello, my name is Ai Fukunaga. I am the curator of East Asian collections at the Chester Beatty Museum in Dublin. During 2024, the museum conserved an 18th century Chinese silk hanging Buddha of the Three Generations. The textile embodies the Chenlong Emperor's devotion to Buddhism and exceptional craftsmanship of the China's imperial workshop. Sir Alfred Chester Beatty purchased this hanging in 1960. Due to its fragile condition, we were unable to exhibit it in the museum. This conservation project stabilized the textile thread so that we can safely exhibit the object in our gallery. In this video, our contract textile conservator, Karen Horton, will share how she approached its conservation.
Lampas weave is considered a complex weave, the reason being that it has an additional binding wool. It has supplementary wefts, and it's these supplementary wefts that create the picture on the textile. It is woven and not printed. The textile is extremely fragile, not only because of its age, but because of the condition of the silk threads and the fact that it's got many, many historic repairs which are damaging it because they're so tight. They will have to be released, and that is one of the challenges, is to release those historic repairs. There are two critical moments really. One is when I was releasing the historic stitches. They were so tiny in places, it was difficult to get the tweezer point underneath so that I could actually snip them. And the second critical moment was with the net overlay, which goes over the entire body of the textile. The cut wefts on the edges, the two side edges, meant that if the net had moved at all during the overlay process, it would cause the fibres to move.
Conservation not only preserves the objects for future generations, but also it enables us to share the cultural heritage with our current community members and the wider public. In August 2024, we invited local Chinese and Buddhist communities to a conservation demonstration. During this event, we received valuable community input regarding the significance of the hanging as a cultural and religious object. In spring 2025, we are planning to display Buddhas of the Three Generations for the first time in our museum. We look forward to your visit.